In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT properly. 2026 full guide. First, let's clear up how the model lineup works now. OpenAI has retired several older options, including GPT-4, GPT-4o, and GPT 4.1, so you won't find them in the ChatGPT interface anymore. That's why many tutorials promising hacks to unlock GPT-4 are simply out of date. The free tier now offers limited access to newer models, such as GPT 5.2, so you can still tap into powerful capabilities without chasing old settings or hidden toggles. Getting started is straightforward and official, no tricks needed. Head to the ChatGPT website, sign in, or create a free account if you're new. Once you're logged in, you can begin chatting right away using the current free plan. Sticking to the standard sign-in keeps your account secure and ensures you're accessing the supported models as intended, rather than risking unreliable behavior through third-party workarounds. Now, let's talk about usage limits. The free tier is robust, but it does use message caps within a rolling window. If you hit your limit, you'll need to wait for that window to reset before continuing at no cost. Think of it as a meter that refills over time. To avoid interruptions, plan your sessions. Group related questions, make prompts clear and complete, and minimize back and forth where possible. Depending on capacity, free users may also see access to GPTs and certain advanced tools, but availability can vary with demand and caps. So treat those as helpful extras rather than guaranteed features. Choosing between free and paid comes down to your frequency and depth of use. The free tier is excellent for writing, brainstorming, quick research, and everyday tasks. If you work during peak hours, need more messages, or want higher limits and steadier access, a paid option like ChatGPT Plus is designed for that heavier workflow. A practical approach is to start free. Note how often you hit the cap or experience congestion, and upgrade only if those constraints consistently slow you down. A few best practices will make everything smoother. Always use the official sign-in to protect your data and ensure accurate model behavior. Keep an eye on your message pace to avoid hitting the limit mid-project. Staying organized, asking concise questions, and consolidating follow-ups helps you get more done within the rolling window. And that is all for today. Navigating the latest AI updates is simple when you stick to the official path. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.